Todo el rato. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so good afternoon everyone. Welcome to this new talking in this amazing event, the Odoo Experience 2024. My name is Alberto Romero, and I am an Odoo developer in Cubic, one of the best partners in Europe. And today, I'm going to show you how we develop a totally centralized and customized loyalty program system in Odoo for one of the biggest toys company in Spain, Juguettos. But first, let's discover more about this company. Opening its first store in the city of Villena, Alicante in 1975, Juguettos has been offering a widely range of toys products, from the most important brands like Fisher-Price or Mattel to its own products from its own brand. Since its foundation, Juguettos has been in a continuous expansion in the Spanish territory. Nowadays, at the moment of this presentation, Juguettos has the huge amount of over 217 stores around Spain and in Andorra. During this expansion, Juguettos has been using multiple CRM and marketing platforms and programs in order to obtain their clients' information to provide them the best discounts and promotions, improving the relationship between the clients and the stores. However, using multiple CRM and marketing softwares creates issues such as lack of information, an increasing of the operational cost, and a very complexity for the management, and a difficulty in obtaining a verified and a clear view of information that complicates decision making, hampers the business scalability, and limits automation. But Odoo offers a solution for this challenge by centralizing all the CRM and marketing resources into a single and integrated program. Odoo consolidates sales, purchase, inventory, discounts, and another key business functions within one system. That integration facilitates the infrastructure and reduces the operational cost and the complexity. Also, a key feature that allows Odoo is the possibility to customize the software by creating new custom models in order to improving some features that already exist in Odoo or to creating new ones, adjusting all the Odoo software for the user needs, from creating new fields to creating a new user interface for the web portal. So Odoo allows to customize both backend and frontend. So after knowing all these key features that provides Odoo, Juguettos came to Cubic to develop a new platform where all their clients' information is centralized, and that permits to the company to send customized marketing promotions for them. Also, Juguettos asked us to create a new user interface for the front end of the platform. So, after explaining a little bit of history of Juguettos, the key features that provides Odoo and why they came to Cubic, we are going to talk about the development of this amazing project. First, I want to show you the infrastructure of the backend. First, on the top left, we have the Odoo platform. This platform has an integrated API. This API will receive requests from the points of sales of the physical stores and from the online store. Why? Because they need their clients' information to complete a sale. So when the stores receive this information, this sale will be completed. And where are these sales saved? In an external database. In this external database, we can find all the information about the sales, the products, and the stores. And another question, how we can upload all this information to the Odoo platform? Very easy. with a scheduled action that will be launched every day. So every single day, all the updated information, like the new sales, will be uploaded to the Odoo platform, completing the circuit of all the infrastructure. Next, after explaining you the infrastructure of the backend, I want to show you one of the most important features of this project. As I mentioned before, Juguettos asked us to create a new user interface and a new frontend for this new platform. So let me show about them. But first, I want you to imagine that you want to become a new client of Juguettos. So you may be to be registered on the platform. You will have 3 ways to register on the system. The first way is with an express registration. This form will be accessed by a QR code exposed on the physical stores. So with your mobile phone, you can scan the code and access to this form. In this express registration, you only have to introduce your essential information, like your name, last name, BAT, or zip code, and etc. Next, the second way is very similar than the previous one, but instead to be completed by yourself, is completed by the vendors of the stores. So you only have to provide to this vendor your essential information, and your registration will be completed by themselves. And the last way is with a complete registration form. Here you have to introduce all your information, from your personal information to your address. Also, you have the possibility to register your children in order to obtain discounts, for example, for its birthday. When you are registered on the platform, you will receive a customized email where you can be able to set your password, and also you will receive a welcome discount. So just registering on the Juguettos platform has benefits. So congratulations, you are registered on the Juguettos platform. Now you log in on the system and you will access to a new main menu. So let's see some of the options that permits the menu. First, you have My Orders page. Here you will see all your sales that you made it on the online store. As you say on the form, on this view, sorry, you see a list of all the sales, and you can also display one of them to see all the details. For example, the ticket number, the date, all products that you bought on this sale. Next, the next view is very similar than the previous one, but the main difference is that instead to see the sales that you made on the online store, you will see the sales that you made on the physical store. As it's very similar than the previous one, you will see a list with all the sales, and you can display the details. Next, we are going to see the My Address view. Here you can see a list with all the address that you have registered on your account. Obviously, you have the possibility to update them or to create a new one if it's necessary with this address form. And a key feature of this form is that the country, the state, and the city fields are completed automatically by only introducing the zip code. For example, my city is Badalona, so if I put a zip code of Badalona, the country will be completed with Spain, the state or province in that case will be completed with Barcelona, and the city with Badalona. With that, we simplifies to complete the form. Next, we are going to see My Personal page. As the name says, you can see all your personal information, and you will have the possibility to update them. Also, you can change your email or your password, and anyone want this, but you can also delete by account. But let's see that we don't see this option, okay? And then we have, I want you to look at the top right of the form. You can see a button called Children Discount. if we click there, you can access to a list with all the children that you have registered. Obviously, you can update them or add new children if it's necessary. As I mentioned before, if you add children on your account, you will be able to receive discounts for each birthday. Next, we're going to see the newsletter page. If you're not subscribed, you will see the left page, okay? Where you have the possibility to click on the button of subscribe and subscribe to the newsletter to receive the latest news of the Juguettos products or some discounts or promotions that offers Juguettos. If you subscribe it and you enter to the page again, you will see the right page where you can see all the benefits that you have only subscribing on the newsletter. Next, we're going to see my promotion page. Here you can see all the promotions that you be able to use. So for example, imagine that you are in a physical stores and you want to apply a discount that you have here. So you have only to show the barcode and the vendor will scan it and apply the discount. Also, you have the possibility to copy the code in order to introduce in the online store. Next, we can see My Wallets card. It's very similar than the My Promotions view, but the main difference that here you will see the gift cards. For example, I have a gift card of 40 euros and I want to spend it on some Juguettos products. So I go to the store, I show to the vendor the barcode, or if I was in the on the online store, I copy the code, I introduce there. Okay, so with that, we see all the clients portal, but the vendors also can search their clients by introducing the badge, their email, or their phone. Why? Because with that, they can see all the clients' information, their personal information, the discounts, the promotion, the sales, etc. Okay, so a conclusion of this presentation, Cubic in the last months has been developing a new platform for Juguettos that centralize all the clients' information in order to provide them their best discounts and also provide them a marketing and a customized marketing for them. Also, and as I mentioned before, a key feature of this project is the front end. As you see on the slides, the front end is very unique. It's a unique front end that when you see on the first time, you identify the Juguettos brand and their values. And also, I'm planning to announce that this project is now available to be accessed for the public. So if you want to access and try it, you can do it. But this is not the final of this project. This is only the start, because on the next months, we are going to implementing all these features on the physical stores. So I hope that next year, on the Odoo Experience 2025, I could be able to explain you all this process. And with that, we conclude this presentation. So thank you so much for your attention. And if you have some questions, please let me know, and it will be a pleasure to answer them.
All right. Thank you, Alberto.
Thank you.
Can you guys hear me? All right, I'm going to check if there is any question in the pad. Maybe the public has questions. Just feel free to raise your hand as well if you do. Otherwise, I'm going to look into the pad. All right. There is one question in the pad for you. Yes, sure. So it's basically, what was the decision behind developing a completely new portal versus developing on the existing Odoo portal?
That's a good question. Well, one of the main reasons is because we want to make sorry, let me think about. Sorry.
No worries.
See, yes. Why?
They're also writing other questions, so it's very
Yes.
good.
Okay. Okay. Let me think about.
No problem.
Okay, the main reason to create a new website portal and a new design is because if we want to create a new custom, a totally customized, we create, for example, new modules. We creating, for example, new fields. We created a lot of new material. So we think that one of the easiest form to that is creating a new website portal with instead to use the Odoo platform. But also the platform provides some good features, but this is the main reason because we customize a lot with custom modules, with new fields. So this is one of the reasons.
Okay. Thank you. There is another question in the pad. How many custom tools were used? Oh yeah, okay. So basically, is it mostly custom tools that are used or mostly standard? I understand maybe the portal is custom, but
yes.
Other?
Yes. Well, for example, for the sales, we use the base one with some modifications, with some new fields. For example, for the stores, all the sales has a related store, okay? But it's both of them. We use some of the base of Odoo that Odoo has existing, and also new. For example, for the children, we created a new model for the children, okay? And this new model will be related with the parents, with the REST partner model. So we use both of them. We use from Odoo existing features of Odoo and creating new ones.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, hope that was clear. I'm just going to check again if there is any additional questions. Any questions from the public, maybe? You can't hear. Okay, the volume is not high enough? You can't hear me? All right. Apparently they can't hear me. All right, okay. Okay, it looks like I'm just going to try to reconnect one more time just to see.
Okay.
Looks like that was all the questions.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.